Just doing a video on feeding the goldfish, and got some of this floating food. See if they'll eat it. Ah, that's a big one. Funny, there's that one right there is completely black. That's so weird. And hopefully these guys are ready for winter. But they're doing really well. Very hardy. I think one or two had some issues, some like white growth stacks on them, but other than that, they've been pretty good. I probably should make more habitat for them with more habitat, probably maybe some cylinder blocks or rocks or something along those lines, but for the most part, they're pretty hardy and they're doing just fine. It'd be funny if there was any new fish in there. And still have some lettuce growing. Tomato over there. Quite big. I think I have one more somewhere. Just rained. I got hydrangeas growing. Garlic's popping up. Elderberry. Mulberry. The one and only tomato. Not bad. And got some, I think some chives or green onions or something along. I think it's chives. I had some Kang Kong right down there, but I don't think it's gonna survive. It needs to be a little hotter. Thought I could get some growing before the winter started, but I don't think so. And over in the corner, I've got a ton of rosemary cuttings, probably 50 or so. I got goji berry, elderberry, blackberry, so all sorts of stuff. Growing really well. Sea berries in there. We'll see if it roots or not. Got some fig rooting in the corner. You see that right there? That is a new fig tree, so just depends on when you take the cuttings, but they'll grow. All right, thanks for watching.